This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Premium on your Xbox. We will cover the simple steps to upgrade your account and unlock exclusive benefits. First, we will understand what Premium offers, then locate it on your Xbox console. Finally, I will guide you through the purchase process and confirm your new subscription. This guide ensures a smooth experience for all players, providing clear, actionable instructions. Roblox Premium offers several fantastic advantages for dedicated players. You receive a monthly Robux stipend, which is a great value for your money, often starting at 450 Robux per month. Subscribers also get a 10% bonus on all Robux purchases, increasing your spending power even further. Additionally, you unlock exclusive items and discounts in the avatar shop, enhancing your customization options. Many experiences also provide unique benefits to Premium members. To begin, turn on your Xbox and launch the Roblox application. Once the game loads, navigate to the main menu or home screen within the Roblox experience. Look for an option that says Premium or Upgrade, typically found near your profile picture or in the Settings menu. Clicking this will direct you to the dedicated Premium subscription page, where all available tiers are clearly displayed for your review. This is where you will make your important selection. On the Premium subscription page, you will see different membership tiers, such as Premium 450, 900, or 2200. Select the tier that best suits your needs and budget by highlighting it with your controller. Next, confirm your selection and proceed to the payment screen. Your Xbox's stored payment methods, like a credit card or gift card, will be available for a quick and secure transaction. Review the details carefully, then finalize your purchase with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.